Hey, are you working in renewable energy sector? Do you have innovative products? Planning to enter into the Indian market and set up your business there? India is the fastest growing economy and second biggest market for renewable energy products. But lack of reliable infrastructure, compliances and ethical issues, cost and risk are the major hurdles faced by international companies. We are SRPL Group. We help foreign companies to enter into the renewable energy, energy storage and electric vehicle markets in fastest possible time and cost-effective manner. SRPL is one-stop solution for technology partners, from warehouse and storage, transportation and distribution, finance and accounting, IT and legal, HRM and training, shared services. We offer latest technology and innovations, complete range of products, outstanding engineering support, and provide guaranteed quality service. In short, we will prepare the desired launch pad for you and make sure you have successful cost-effective market entry in India. So, why wait? Contact us to discuss your business needs. Thank you.